Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie, and I'm doing this a little bit earlier today. I have a busy afternoon, and hopefully some people will see me on and join me. Hope everybody is well. It's really nice and sunny out today. Get outside and go for a ride, go for a run, go for a walk, go for a hike. Hopefully you'll be able to do that this afternoon. Most people don't know that I am doing this early today, so we'll see if we get some joiners. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello, Giovanna. I see a couple of other people. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that you're here. And I'm going to make today a chai iced coffee. Let's see. So a couple of things. There is no jazz tonight. It is going to be too cold to do jazz outside, so no jazz tonight. We'll be doing inside dining this evening. Our $9.99 special begins again today, so Thursday to Monday is our $9.99 special to go. And oh my gosh, I have a brain freeze and I don't remember what it is, but hello everybody. Hello Mark, hello Ellen, hello Giovanna, hello Anna. It is going to come to me, the $9.99 special. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry to not remember, but anyway, it'll come to me. Anyway, so we have a $9.99 special this week. Let's see, we are open now through Monday. Please make a reservation. As it's getting colder, we seem to be doing more inside dining. And oh my gosh, I cannot believe I have forgotten what the $9.99 special is. Oh my gosh, it's gonna drive me crazy. It was pork last week. Oh well, anyway, it'll come to me. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Remember, we have takeout available. Our regular menu is available all the time. We are doing a special cocktail night on Monday. We are doing 4 full cocktails and a dish for $29 on Monday. That is new. We've never really done a cocktail dinner like that before, but the people who came last Monday, which was really busy, were requesting another dinner, so I thought I'd do something fun, a fall cocktail. It will not be full-size cocktails. There'll definitely be an apple cocktail and a pumpkin cocktail, but we'll be doing fall themed, and a dish for $29. You can't beat that. It starts at 6:30. And let's see, what else did I want to say about that? If you do not drink cocktails and you want wine or beer, I have no problem substituting that in. So hopefully you can join us on Monday. Thanksgiving is coming. We are doing takeout only for Thanksgiving. Takeout, and we're doing our turkey dinner with all the sides. And you can choose turkey, tofurkey, or salmon. And you just have to place that order ahead of time. Give us your credit card, place the order, let us know when you want to pick it up from 11 to 2. We'll be doing some emails on that as well, probably next week. And we have 1 room left still for the Finger Lakes. I keep hearing from people, but then they're not booking, so 1 room still available. Hopefully, if you would like to join us in the Finger Lakes, November 5th through the 7th, we have 1 room left. And it is going to be an awesome trip. Get to taste wine and eat with Marcus and I and travel with us all around the Finger Lakes, Cayuga Lake and Seneca Lake, and it is going to be really fun. But anyway, all right, on to my cocktail. So I am going to use Wild Moon Chai Spice. And I'm going to cheat a little bit. You can use cold brew coffee. You can make coffee and make an iced coffee. But I'm going to use this awesome espresso cold brew coffee with almond milk. And we're just going to flavor it. So, and I'm not going to do too much chai because I have a lot of stuff to do this afternoon. I have a lot of things to do, so I have to travel around. But you're going to add 2 ounces of chai. I'm going to add a little bit of chai, but you're going to add 2 ounces. And I'm just going to add a little bit. And I'm going to top it off with my espresso with almond milk. Yum, yum, yum. And that's it. Simple, easy. Add a liquor to your coffee. Let's taste that. I think that's gonna be really good. You can add a little cinnamon on top. I have a little cinnamon here. We'll add a little cinnamon. You can use regular milk, you can use almond milk, you can make your own coffee, and add just a little flavoring to it. This chai spice from Wild Moon is really, really good. It is from Hartford, Connecticut. Love what they're doing there. They make a rose and a lavender and lots of awesome, awesome cool things. So thank you for watching me, everybody. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. Oh, that chai, it's delicious. So anyway, cheers. Hope everybody has an awesome, awesome night. I cannot think of our $9.99 special for the life of me. I am drawing a huge, huge, huge blank today. I don't know why. Nobody's here to tell me. Hello, Susan. Hello, Christina, Anna, Giovanna. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. Sorry it's a bit early today. Have to get out. Got to do a bunch of things. And that is it. We will talk to everybody soon. Cheers.